Okay, so I'm actually going to make a separate video here, and that's what this one is. And this is the American Hunter digital timer. This is the 8th timer I've owned in about 20 years. And this is the first American Hunter digital timer I've ever owned. I've owned Wild Game Innovations, which looks just very similar to this, or possibly is the same. And this is the first one I've ever disassembled, because you'd think by 2024 there'd be people who have disassembly videos on YouTube of this product, and there are not. So I've got a fully charged 12 volt lead acid battery, hooked it up to my feeder and doesn't work, and hooked it up to this and nothing comes up on the display. And I was just wanting to confirm, is there a battery in here? And there's not. And what's interesting to me is this unit has been inside a metal case. And I've owned it for about 2.5 years. Right now, this is November of 24. And I just opened it up for the first time ever. This has never been opened. I realize people are like, if you open it, it's gonna void the warranty. Well, it's too old for the warranty. But look what happened when I disassembled it. Look at all this like corrosion inside. What's that corrosion from? I mean, clearly to me, that's the problem here, is the corrosion. And the corrosion's probably caused some issue or for it to short out or something. I don't know how we keep this in the future. I mean, these units are not cheap. They're like 40 bucks. I mean, you can buy knockoff versions on Amazon for like $20, but the question is how do we keep this from happening in the future? I mean, clearly these screw holes in the back are not waterproof screws. So some type of moisture is coming in on the unit. As we know, water will go anywhere. Does it come in through the buttons? You need to have some sort of little case that will envelop this and I guess terminate at the wires or something to keep this dry while it's inside what you would think would be a dry environment inside the metal motor box of a deer feeder. Now, those of y'all watching this, because I've opened this up, maybe you have, I'm pretty good at soldering. I'm pretty good at it. And, but I don't even know where to begin on trying to fix something like this. And there's some rust, there's corrosion. Something in here is toast. My guess is it's just toast. You know what I mean? Anyway. So, American Hunter digital timer repair, question mark. Thanks for watching.